What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Cody Ham, and it is Friday evening, and we are headed to my boy Tanner's house. I'm in my 2015 6.7 Power Stroke with my Goose behind me, and we're going to be hauling Tanner's 3G Cummins to a little show and shine and dirt drag racing event tomorrow at the local fairgrounds over in Eaton, Ohio. It's for, I didn't know him personally, but it's for a kid who passed away, and Tanner and my friend Jack and them were friends with him. They knew him, so we're all going out to support him and see some cool trucks and see some cool dirt drag racing. So stay tuned. Jack, what we got going on here?
Just gotta drop a wire down, take it across, and she's done.
Really? Putting on Jack's lights
right
on, but to be looking like a spaceship.
Just trying to be like that rich guy Cody. Good man.
Well, this guy for you, he's got a limited right here, folks.
And I know.
You think they're Gage? This weather ain't for it, is it?
Thing's cooked.
Thing's cooked. Listen to that throwout bearing.
Hey, push the clutch in, bro.
You got it in 4-wheel drive, right? Because it'll slip.
Cody, where's the strap at?
In the truck.
Back seat?
Yeah. Here, take the camera for a second. Tell people what's going on here. You got it? Oh, this ain't glass.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Grab the straps out of here. Gotta strap the old girl
Alright, here we are. It's raining. It sucks. But we're still going to make the best of it. Loading up T-Rich's 3G Cummins. And hopefully it's going to be a good time. The show's still going on. But hopefully get some content for you guys. Whoa! Tell me go that.
What is that?
What are we working with here?
71 K10.
Got the cow high, you said?
It's got Fox.
Oh, nice. I like the billet Chevy steering wheel too. That's nice. Oh yeah. 383. She sounds healthy. Cow hood. Oh yeah.
Little aluminum headed 383.
Shoo!
Gets it down pretty good.
Look at that intake, bud. Ooh. Oh yeah. Beautiful setup.
Appreciate it.
Action. We're ready? We rolling? All right. Quit looking at me, Gage. Anyways, here I am with my buddy Tanner Richardson and his third gen Cummins, and tell the people what's done to it.
It's G56 swapped, second gen swapped, reverse leveled, 24x14 Liberties.
Any
Full
future
paint
plans
match.
with it?
Yeah, pull the front end off it, do a full tuck, clean up the engine bay. We got to pull the trans next week. New throwout bearing.
Get that fixed and be ready for Edgewater May 30th.
Edgewater, and then UCC.
Catch us there. Yeah, then UCC June 5th. See us there.
They're your clutch jumps only.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Action. Where we at, Barry?
We're at the bird mate.
Bird meet, what are we doing today?
Looking at trucks.
Looking at trucks. We being sober today too, huh?
I guess. Trying to.
Trying to. Where's the old fortune at, huh?
Torque
You want to tell that story about last night or what?
Yeah, about 15 Terry Bobs in. Fucking torque converter left the chat on me.
Left the chat, yeah. Listen, Firepunk, if you want to sponsor him on a Comp 348 swap or maybe a Bill 68, get at him.
I'll take it.
He'll take it. Maybe hit him with a second gen swap too. All good. Good thing about that, Caden? Money. What we got going on here, Tanner? Set up? Yeah, some dirt drag racing. Oh, yeah.
It acts like it,
Still hooked up to an hour.
You got what, the transmission cooler and the fuel cell in the back? Who am I here with today?
Colton James.
Nice to meet you. What's the setup on this unit?
S478 93, 100 over injectors and dual fuelers.
Dual fuelers.
And a mildly built bottom end.
Well, they built bottom end.
Yeah.
Still running Allison?
Yeah. Right now, still got an Allison.
So Allison, I see he's got a ratchet shifter. I recorded that earlier.
Yeah. I just did a shifter relocation.
Shifter relocation. It's a unit, that's for sure. It's a runner. How much power you think, ballpark wise?
Should be around 900 to 1,000.
900, 1,000?
Should be.
How long you been dirt drag racing it?
I've had this truck for 2.5 years, and then I had a truck before this one I raced for a couple years.
Do you enjoy it? Do you like this setup?
Yeah, it's
and this,
fun.
he says it's an LB7, right?
Yeah.
LB7. Well, thank you, and good luck today too.
Yeah,
We're gonna get a little startup video. What do you think?
I guess.
He said, I guess. He's like, fuck that. Al,
Small 383 small block.
gotta get some fuel and get raped at the pump, and Mary had to get some refreshments. Where are we at? We're at Roosters. Say hi to the channel there, Brittany.
Hey!
What do you think there, Tanner?
I think that Chevy just went through its rig.
That's right. It was a decent turnout, but we'll get them next time. Now we're gonna go eat some roosters. Some roosters. Get some wings. Well, guys, this is the last stop. We're gonna be dropping Tanner's truck off at the auto detailing. Get his truck dialed in for May 30th for Edgewater and then UCC. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe. Tell your friends. There's gonna be more content on the way. Please stay tuned. And appreciate you guys. Thanks.